next question, number 13. Consider the circuit shown in the figure. In this circuit, R is equal to 1 kilo ohms and C is equal to 1 microfarad. The input voltage is sinusoidal with a frequency of 50 Hz, represented as a phasor with magnitude Vi and phase angle 0 radians as shown in the figure. The output voltage is represented as a phasor with magnitude V0 and phase angle delta radians. What is the value of the output phasor angle delta relative to the phase angle of the input voltage? So we have our four options given to us: 0, pi, pi by 2 and minus pi by 2. Now in this figure shown over here, so we have input voltage, we have our output voltage. And the phasors are 0 and delta. So let's work on the current equations. So we'll take this node over here as 1. So we'll write our current equation from here. Now since we have C, we must also remember that there is a capacitive reactance. So the capacitive reactance XC would be J omega C. Please remember. So let's work on the Kcl equation. If we write down the nodal equation at point 1 there, Kcl at node 1, we will have, so first it's 0 minus Vi angle 0 divided by C. So that's the first part, 0 minus Vi angle 0 divided by Xc plus, next we have in terms of the output voltage, 0 minus V0 of angle delta divided by R, 0 minus V0 angle delta divided by R. Now the sum of the two voltages equals 0, two currents equals 0. Okay, so now we need what's the value of delta. So let's take the voltage and equate it. So we have V0 of delta is equal to, so we take this term to the other side and resolve the fractions. We get this in terms of minus Xc R Vi 0. Now Xc is J omega C R Vi angle 0. Okay, so here is, now all we have to do is observe. So we have V0 of delta, we have J omega C R and Vi with angle 0. Now if the input is 0, the frequency here, J omega or omega, which is the angular frequency, 2 pi f. So there is a certain difference in terms of delta and 0. Now because we have minus J omega here, this determines what the value of delta would be. If Vi is 0, then because of minus omega here, delta would be minus 90 degrees, which is minus pi by 2. And minus pi by 2 matches option D here. So D is the final answer.